Thanks, Balloon Boy, for the assist. I'm gonna high-five you later before I punch you in the face. And then I'm gonna punch you in the face some more, just because I don't like you. And then I'm gonna hug you. Oh, damn it, there he is. Hey, buddy, how's it going? You might want to check out room 10, because room 10, whoo! Boy, let me tell you all the stuff that's in room 10. Room 10, oh, it's got amazing. There's cake. There's bunny rabbits flown out everywhere. You love it. I seem to be in a bit of trouble. Don't worry about the flashing light. Let's just have a conversation, you and me, because I really want to get to know you as a person, because I know there's a person in there, and I know that you're a person at heart, and you're really kind and cherished, and, you know, I feel a deeper connection now that we're looking at each other in the eyes. Excuse me for a second, I'm gonna... Should be fine. It's 4 a.m., plenty of time. Freddy can come on in, we'll have a nice tea party, and then he can go fuck himself! If he's just in my doorway, I'm just gonna have a nice little tea party with him. Hey! Oh, you know what? I just met your friends! Like, Chica and Balloon Boy came back together, we had a big gangbang together, we had so much fun in a big orgy pile with all the spare parts. It was great, let me tell you. Oh, let me tell you all the improvements that Chica's made. Oh, really classed up her face by smudging dirt everywhere. And then Balloon Boy, God, you know, he was annoying before, but now he graduated to terrifying. And you're not listening to me, are you? God damn it! God damn! Fuck! 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 Fucky! You! You and me, we get along so well these days. I really feel, you know, staring into your eyes this long, scientists prove that it builds a connection between two people. And, you know, all in all, the lights may be blaring, but I'd like to think of that the red-hot burning love that I feel in my heart for you. Yeah! Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop. I don't love you at all. Yeah!